So here's the heater in my house. A year ago we got flooded. I was able to kind of fix it. There's a circuit board in here I replaced. But sometimes it doesn't go on. Like right now it's pretty cold in my house. I have the heat on. Everything is on. If it's some odd reason, if I hit it on the side or somewhere on it, it'll go on. So, like a soft hit, nothing. A little harder, nothing. A little harder, and all of a sudden it goes on. There it is. Not sure why. I wish it didn't always do that. Fire's blazing. Working fine now.